Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the construction of the Sovereign Mandeville Plaza. And there is the main part of the plaza straight ahead. Now this plaza is going to have two structures. The two-story structure that you see ahead, and at the beginning you there have another building that has the Wendy's and other fast food chain in it. So this plaza, the one in Mandeville, is on Caledonia Drive, in the heart of Mandeville in the town itself. So the Highway 2000 is being extended to Mandeville. So the town is going to see a lot more traffic, and so persons are investing and business people are getting ready for the benefits that will come with this additional traffic. Meaning it's going to be easier to reach Mandeville from, say, Kingston, Spanish Town, Maypen, because the highway will go directly to Mandeville. So that's why you see a lot of activity going on in Mandeville, reconstruction and those things. All right, so this plaza now, it's modeled after the Sovereign Village in Portmore. If you can look, you can see, okay, that building on the left that we're looking at where you see that barbed wire, it's going to be destroyed. This plaza, this straight ahead now, that building, the new building that was built, it looks like a Sovereign Village in the Portmore. So this plaza had a Shoppers Fair supermarket in it, and it had another building. I think it was a movie theater, but that building has been knocked down, and the supermarket is still open, but it's going to be demolished, and only the two new buildings left. So everything that was on the property is going to be demolished, and just the two new buildings left. And the complex, the mall itself, is going to take up 60,000 square feet, but the entire property is 172,000 square feet. So you have a lot of space for parking. And the parking is, this complex is going to have 360 parking spaces. So it's going to be huge. Now, the original name for this plaza was going to be the Mandeville Shopping Center. But there is another plaza in Mandeville called Manchester Shopping Center. And so the names were too close, so this complex had to change its name, and that's why it went to the Sovereign Village in Portmore. So the building we're looking at now is a two-story building, and it's going to have the supermarket, it's going to have 15 retail stores, and it's going to have offices. The second building, which is at the front, is going to have two fast food chains. Wendy's is one. And the supermarket here is going to be Shoppers Fair. It's not going to be a Lashushan supermarket, or a Sovereign supermarket. It's going to be Shoppers Fair. Shoppers Fair is a part of Progressive Grocers of Jamaica, and so is the Lashushan brand. So each one is owned by different persons, but they're all part of the Progressive Grocers of Jamaica. And this plaza represents the first Sovereign plaza that's built in central Jamaica. So this plaza is scheduled to open sometime next year. The food stores are actually open already. This plaza is practically built, it's just fine-tuning, and then they have to demolish the existing structure that has a supermarket. When the new supermarket is ready, they'll just move over to the new building and then demolish the old building. So sometime next year, sorry guys, later this year, this plaza should be open. The highway is scheduled to open in the first quarter of 2023. I think they had said February. But so hopefully this plaza is up and running by the time the plaza The highway, sorry, is finished. Alright guys, let us know what you think about this plaza and leave your comments in the section below, and remember to like, share and subscribe. And of course, before we go, we have to talk about what you need for a successful plaza in Jamaica. You need three things. You need a brand name supermarket, you need food stores, and you need to build a plaza in a populated area. If you follow those three things, you'll have a successful plaza. So Mandeville is the largest town in central Jamaica. The plaza is built in the heart of Mandeville, in a very busy part of Mandeville, so it's built in a populated area. It has the food stores and it has the brand name supermarket in Shoppers Fair. So this plaza should do very well. It follows the formula to a T. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.